Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are diving to a quick and easy topic on how to find my Bitcoin address on Binance. But before we dive into all of it, and if you are new here, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss on our latest content. Okay, so what I suggest is go now to Binance.com. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but if you are using any kind of browser like Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, it's okay. Log in using your credentials. All right. Once you're successful, you might want to go here and deposit. All right. Say you wanted to deposit some crypto right here. So when you are there, click on the wallet on the top menu bar and select fiat and spot, or just select the coin. Say for example, since my account here for training purposes is not yet verified, so but if you are in this section, you might want to choose the Bitcoin that you wanted to send. All right. When you click on Bitcoin, it will give you a series of characters and numbers. That's your Bitcoin addresses, all right? It's a long string of letters and numbers, right? You might want to get that information handy. And also, if you're lost during the navigation process, you might want to go here on Binance post. So here, shout outs to Remote Crypto. So here he has some very good helpful tips for anyone who wants to find out their Binance wallet address for beginners, all right? Okay? So I suggest you go here. This is really helpful because it helped me when I was trying to search my Binance wallet address since I am a beginner as well. All right? So shout outs to you, sir, Remote Crypto. Here there's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. And it's important to note that some cryptocurrencies can be sent on multiple networks, so you must be aware of that. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.